Hello champions, my name is Swayam Raut and I've been a student at Champions Academy for the past 6 months. I've been enrolled at a 2-year integrated program. I managed to secure 96.6% in my 10th grade board exams, and at that time I was studying at DAV Public School, Nehru. My academics have been pretty good ever since I joined Champions Academy. My marks in those subjects which I once was not so good at have managed to truly skyrocket, and it's all thanks to the amazing faculty provided by the Champions Academy. So the Abhyas system is this unique approach followed by Champions Academy, in which we are given an exercise by the end of every lecture, which is based on whatever concept is taught in that particular lecture, which we are supposed to complete by the end of the day, and the doubts of which are also get solved by the end of that day. This approach has really helped me in retaining whatever's been taught in that particular day, and helped me fare better in my weekly exams that are conducted at Champions. Before joining Champions, I used to find physics to be a little bit difficult to wrap my head across, especially the concepts of kinetic energy and work, which I have been doing pretty well at nowadays. Had it not been for Champions Academy, I might not have been able to improve my physics this quick. Mr. Chandan is my favorite faculty at Champions Academy. He teaches us chemistry, and he's no doubt one of the best chemistry teachers I've ever had in my life, and the way he helps us visualize concepts helped me grasp those complex concepts in a matter of moments. And yes, I would highly recommend Champions Academy to my friends and juniors to help them benefit from it the same way as I did.